Good morning, everybody. Welcome back after first term examination in the class with the first chapter of second term of geography, that is agriculture. In this chapter, we will talk about agriculture as an economic activity, then different type of agriculture, farming, then the major crops which are grown in India as well as in the world. First, what is agriculture and how it is important for our country? Agriculture is one of the most important economic activity in the world. About two-thirds of Indian population, or you can say about 75% of Indians' total population is still depend on agriculture. What is this agriculture? Agriculture is the science and art of growing food crops, flowers, and other things. Agriculture is the cultivation of plants and other life forms for food, fiber, biofuel, medicinal, and other products used to sustain and enhance human life. Along with agriculture, some more cultures are involved in agriculture, like pisciculture, horticulture, sericulture, and so on. It is given in your book also in the form of definition. Then, what is different type of cultivation? You can easily see in the picture. Agriculture was from the beginning the key development in the rise of sedentary human civilization, because roti, kapda, and makan. And from where we get this roti? Yes, obviously, because of this agriculture. And this is done by farmers. So once again, it was the key development in the rise of the sedentary human civilization, where by farming of domesticated spices created food surpluses that nurtured the development of human civilization. Without that, we cannot imagine the human civilization. Agriculture falls under the primary activity. Agriculture falls under the primary activity because agriculture somewhere involves with three main activities. These three main activities are primary activities, secondary activities, and tertiary activities. See, agriculture activities include growing of crops, fruits, vegetables, flowers, and rearing of livestock. Then, in the map of the world, you are able to see the arable land. You may think, what is this arable land? The land which is actually can be used for growing crops is known as arable land. The right type of soil and climate are vital for any type of or any kind of agricultural activity. Here on the map, the land which is shown green in color is known as arable land. Geographically, it is an agricultural term meaning land that can be used for growing crops. Of the Earth's 57.5 million square miles of land, approximately 7.65 million square miles are arable. However, arable land is currently being lost rapidly due to deforestation. Why due to deforestation? To meet the demand of the rapid growing population. Then we will say different type of activities which are involved in agriculture. Agriculture is the primary activity, you know very well, because in this we directly get the things from nature. That is why it is known as primary activity. Second one is the secondary activity. Secondary activity is actually the manufacturing sector or activity in which the things which we get from the nature and directly which is not consumed by us has to be processed in factories and industries. So all those things which are sent in factories and industries to reform or to processed or to change into the final product comes in your secondary activity, like making of cloth, baking of bread, and so on. And third one is your tertiary activity. You cannot imagine the primary and the secondary activity without tertiary, because the things which we get from the field has to be sent to the market. For that we need transportation, we need transport services. And how the things which are produced in factories and industries reach to the market? Obviously with the help of transportation facilities. For that we need banking, insurance, and so on. All these are coming in tertiary sector. That's all for today. In next slide, we will talk about the different types of farming in India as well as in the world.